Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night. Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. We had a really good day today on the 40 Ford. Got a little bit of a late start, but we really kind of kicked into gear. Let me show you what we did and what's coming tomorrow, hopefully. And give you a naked 40 Ford. So we pulled off the hood, grill, front fenders, rear fenders, running boards are all off. Okay, they're in the backyard on the lanai. I'm sure my mom's thrilled. So the point of all this was all of those parts need to be worked on, figured out, body work and whatnot, so needed to get it off anyway. But the bigger thing is to give us access to do some of these other things we need to do. We need to put power steering on it, right? So that's going to go probably right in there. We need to take this Z-bar here, well here, off with this and the clutch pedal. All of that is your clutch pedal, all of this. So that's going to come out tomorrow. We're going to go ahead, pull the drive shaft. Hopefully tomorrow we'll go ahead and pull the Saginaw 4-speed out. And hopefully, if things go well, we'll get the Turbo 350 in with the low car shifter, which would be great. But there's things still to do. This hump in here has to come out. That shifter has to come out, and the linkage and all the things. You got the pedals you got to figure out. The Z-bar. I mean, there's stuff. So it's not a horrible project, but it's a project nonetheless. Good news, somewhere in here, we did buy a transmission jack. There it is back there. So we're gonna use that, and that'll help us. But this gives us access to get in here and clean all of this up again, and just get this car dialed in. And while I'm on vacation, Big Ron will be doing body work, and hopefully when we get back, we'll paint this monster. That would be amazing. So, but there are things that have to be figured out. Vintage air, we do have the bracket for the compressor. We just gotta put it here. So I need a compressor. We do have the bulkhead in. We just need to run lines. The dryer will go in here somewhere, probably back in here, I'd imagine, something like that. And on this, just so you guys can see, up under the dash here, you can see this is the mock-up unit from Vintage Air. So that is all pre-installed. And as you can see, there's your bulkhead. So I mean, this is pretty simple to hook up, we believe. And this dash unscrews and comes in and out. So gives you a lot of adjustment here. So now some things that are probably going to go away, well, will go away for sure. That shifter, that hump here, will come out tomorrow. That center console will more than likely be out of here tomorrow or the next day, just for room. And then we'll have to figure out where the low car comes through. We might have to cut a hole. We might have to do whatever to make that work. But we'll do that. So yeah, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. So this was big. Tomorrow's going to be even bigger for us. Getting the automatic in this is a big deal. What will probably happen once we get the automatic in it, we will probably throw the wheels back on it with no fenders, running boards, or anything like that, and take it around the neighborhood. Make sure it shifts. We were kind of pre-thinking about this. We do have the provisions on the radiator for the transmission cooler lines, so that shouldn't be a huge deal. We are going to we're going to bend our own metal transmission lines, so that's something else that we'll be doing hopefully this weekend, Monday, Tuesday, something like that, and get this thing going. But anyway, guys, that's what we've been doing today. I know you all love your daily dose of our 1973 Volkswagen thing. There she is in all her glory. She is waiting for parts. I don't know if I told you guys or not, but I ordered a new, we tracked this down, we believe, to the emergency flasher relay. So I ordered one from the thing shop. I ordered 30 white fuses, the 8 amp fuses, and I also ordered a low beam headlight relay as well, just because, just in case they're all screwed up. And so that should be here. I got a notification last night that it shipped, so I'd say I'm 3 to 4 days out on parts for this. Once I get the wiring dialed in, and I really believe this is going to dial the wiring in. I believe that all my wires are pretty much in the right spots. Nothing's doing anything too stupid. It's all coming back to that flasher switch as soon as, you know, it is what it is. So that relay is going to be hopefully the answer. And then I still have to get a distributor hold down. I got to order that tonight. But other than that, if you don't know why, I snapped the bolt. So I literally gave it 2 turns of a ratchet, and it was loose, and it just snapped. Like, it didn't even get tight, it just snapped. So it's kind of fun. But that's where we're at here. We have not given up on the Apache. We're just shifting gears here for a minute into the 40 to try to get it as far down the road as we can. Over the next few weeks and months, I will be taking parts off of this piece by piece, cleaning them up. I'm going to order some more white epoxy from Eastwood and primer, and hopefully we'll at least have the doghouse. And I really would like to take the bed off of this. Just get the bed off, and then that way I have access to the whole cab and see what I can do and get some epoxy on this before it turns on me. It's not bad, but it's not good either. So I'd much rather it look like this. So anyway, guys, that's where we're at. I want to thank you for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. We really appreciate you guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel. We're going to be back on this thing in the morning, so stay tuned for shorts and videos. They're going to be coming hot and heavy tomorrow. I'm going to set a camera up probably under the car while we're doing the transmission, so you guys can kind of watch us do that, and or at least portions of that where it's not in the way, and kind of bring you along for the ride and show you how to put a turbo 350 in a 1940 Ford, and hook up the training lines and all the things. So I think that'll be fun and kind of interesting for some people that might need to know that. So you guys have yourself a great night. Happy Friday, and we will talk at you tomorrow.